medyo dito kami sa project works, sa family matters.
So, hindi talaga namin maiiwasan yung may mga araw na hindi kami makaka-ensayo dahil sa mga gawain aralan. But then, naghanap pa rin kami ng time to do our exercise. Like, instead, pupunta kami sa gym. So, pwede namang sa bahay. Like, yung paglilinis. So, siguro isa na yun sa, halimbawa, or,
Yeah. And how important exercise is?
So, well, we all know that exercise is the most important in our life, right? So, being physically active is, it can help us to manage our health, to manage our mental health, and to manage our weight. So, that's why tinitreasure talaga namin yung pag-exercise because we all know exercise is tumutulong talaga siya sa pang-araw-araw natin na pangangatawan.
Yeah, and you mentioned earlier that doing an exercise does not just benefit our physical aspect in life, but it also affects our mental state.
Yeah.
So, aside from doing an exercise, so what are the other things so that we can maintain our health and have a good health?
Self-love. Treat yourself by eating vegetables. Dapat bigyan natin ng oras sa mga katawan, hindi lang puro trabaho.
And a lot of ways para ma-maintain natin ang ating health. Yung sinabi natin yung healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and also don't forget to drink a lot of water.
so, aside from eating nutritious food, so, kailangan din natin matulog ng maaga at iwasan natin yung pagbabasa sa social media dahil hindi yung nakakatulong sa ating
And I think this will here on Talk and Talk. But before we start, let's watch this.
Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Mahiwagang silang ngipin ng bangaan ang hingin, ilang tunay na pagtingin. Mahiwagang silang ngipin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin? Salamin sa tinding na silang pag-ibig. Salamin sa tinding pagmatang sa bibig. Salamin sa tinding na silang pag-ibig. Salamin ay ang mga 'cause I don't wanna live a lie, lie, lie. 'Cause all my boyfriend, what I've been doing, and thinking of you, it's all my truth. And if you want me, you gotta put the word in. Go tell your girl.
Energetic production number. And now we will proceed to our discussion. Yeah, so earlier we discussed about how, so now we will discuss about what we think that this topic is very relevant nowadays. Because when we look at the world around us, there are a lot of teenagers, even students, that are using this kind of influence. So what can you say about this kind of?
We all know that drugs is the most issue here in our country, and until now, the government still models a way for eradicate the issue, so right?
Yes, and it is important to provide a solution to this rising issues because maraming kabataan ang nasisira dahil sa problema ito.
Yes, and before we talk about the solution about this problem, so we really wanted to know, or can you share your knowledge with us about what kind of illegal drugs that can have a negative effects?
Actually, I think lahat naman ng drugs meron siya mga negative effects. It depends to you kung paano mo siya i-control. So, I think lahat ng drugs meron siya mga negative effects sa bawat isa.
Kung ano man ito mga effect. So, saan naman mga effect?
Yes, when we are going to use the illegal drugs, so there are, ang pinakaunang maapektuhan nito is yung health ng tao, in which it primarily which is our brain. So kung maapektuhan ang utak ng tao, posibleng masasabi sa kanilang isipan na may mga batang marirate dahil sa paggamit ng droga.
Yeah, I do agree sa mga ganyan bagay. At ang drugs ay isa rin siya sa will change your behavior, your mind, at sa ganyan paraan ay nakakagawa sila ng mga maling bagay na hindi nila inaasahan. So, kaya ang iba nga ay pag nagagamit sila ng droga, pag kinabukasan ay hindi nila yeah, what remember kung ano yung ginagawa nila. So, dangerous talaga ang drugs sa lahat ng tao.
So those are the effects of the illegal drugs. So now, do you have any advices to our viewers or to the students who are watching this?
Kung payo na sa mga kabataan natin dyan, mas iwasan natin ang paggamit ng droga para kailangan maghanap na rin sa
Yeah, you should. His right to be on this drug.
And also now, you need to choose sino yung mga circle of friends mo because you really believe that isa rin yung mga friends mo sa nakaka-influence sa mga ginagawa mo. So, choose wisely.
Yeah, sabi nga di ba? Tell me who your friends are, tell me who you are. So, it is really a great factor. Na kung ano yung ginagawa mo, hindi you go into it. So, now that you have any advices to our viewers out there, I
maiwasan minsan ang mga pangyayaring nagaganap dito sa ating lipunan, kailangan natin iwasan kung ano yung masasamang gawa.
Thank you so much for being here this afternoon. We've really learned a lot from you, and we're so much privileged to have you here on our show. Here on Talk and Dance. Bye!
Ate, pabili ng steam.